In 60 seconds or less, I will explain what DMARC is and why you, as an e-com entrepreneur, should care about it. DMARC stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance. And it's not a new thing. It's been amongst us ever since 2012. It was just recently brought to our attention by major email providers like Gmail, Yahoo Mail in late 2023. If an email fails the DMARC check, the receiving email server has instructions on how to handle such emails based on the DMARC policy set by the sender. There are typically three possible actions. None. Emails get delivered to the recipient, but the sender receives a report about the failed authentication. Quarantine. Emails may still be delivered to the recipient's spam or quarantine folder rather than the inbox. Reject. Emails will not be delivered to the recipient's inbox at all and will be stuck on the internet's void for eternity, never to be seen. In simpler terms, DMARC helps prevent email spoofing and phishing attempts by allowing legitimate senders to declare how emails should be authenticated and handled, providing a more secure and trustworthy email environment. And that would be just about it. This is a brief explanation, and if you want to learn more about DMARC, make sure to check out the resources in the video description right below me. Till next time.